My name is Maureen Cox, and the name of the courses is Contemporary Collage. We learned about a lot of techniques of making collage, like very figurative types of collage, and then very abstract types of collage. We have all the liberty to express into the collage what we are feeling, and using all the techniques. We learn about techniques, and also we learn about how to make a collage. I enjoy to learn more and to feel free about all the techniques and about collage also. He's a very good teacher and a very good coacher. So it's free for only using the imagination that we have, and that's pretty interesting for us.